Isn't it fascinating to explore the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence? From face swapping to generating content, AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. However, amid the marvels of AI lies a growing concern: the potential dangers it poses to humanity. As AI continues to advance, there are worries that it could outsmart human control and lead to unforeseen consequences. So without further ado, let's begin to understand. Number 1. Emergent behavior and unpredictability. Advanced AI systems, characterized by complex neural networks and sophisticated algorithms, often exhibit emergent behavior, introducing an element of unpredictability to their evolution. These systems, designed to learn and adapt, can surpass their initial programming in ways unforeseen by their creators. The emergent behavior in AI is akin to digital organism with the ability to evolve, creating challenges for scientists and engineers aiming to predict and control its trajectory. The unpredictability stems from the intricate interactions within neural networks, where numerous digital neurons process information simultaneously, resulting in patterns and conclusions not explicitly programmed. Number 2. Impact on employment and job market dynamics. The integration of AI and automation into various industries raises significant concerns about the potential mass unemployment it may induce. As AI-driven technologies become more prevalent, tasks traditionally performed by humans are increasingly automated, leading to a fundamental shift in the job market dynamics. The fear is that AI, with its ability to perform tasks more efficiently and consistently, could replace human workers in various sectors, from manufacturing to customer service. The adaptation required in the face of such shifts involves not only upskilling the existing workforce, but also re-evaluating the societal perception of employment. Number 3. Privacy challenges and data analysis concerns. The widespread use of AI involves extensive data analysis, raising significant concerns about privacy invasion and the delicate balance between data collection for improvement and potential infringements on personal privacy. AI systems often rely on vast datasets to train their models, encompassing a wide array of personal information. Striking this balance requires robust regulatory frameworks and ethical guidelines to govern the collection, storage, and utilization of personal data in AI systems. As AI continues to advance, addressing these privacy challenges becomes paramount to building trust among users and mitigating the risks associated with unauthorized access or misuse of personal information. Number 4. Ethical dimensions of AI. The ethical dimensions of AI introduce a nuanced layer to its development. Despite the intended neutrality of these systems, they often inadvertently reflect biases and values ingrained in the data used for training. This unintentional bias not only raises ethical dilemmas, but also sparks controversies surrounding the deployment of AI tools that perpetuate societal biases. As AI systems base decisions on patterns learned from historical data, there is a risk of amplifying existing biases. Number 5. Societal manipulation through AI algorithms. When AI algorithms are harnessed on social media platforms and other online spaces, they transform into potent tools for societal manipulation. The inherent danger lies in these algorithms' ability to curate and prioritize content, potentially facilitating the spread of misinformation, deepfakes, and manipulation of public opinion. It emphasizes the need for stringent regulations and proactive measures to mitigate the risks associated with the manipulation of public discourse through AI algorithms. Platforms must prioritize user well-being and the integrity of information shared within their digital ecosystems. Number 6. AI's impact on surveillance and security. The integration of AI into surveillance, particularly through facial recognition technology, introduces profound implications for privacy and security. China's extensive use of facial recognition in various settings, from offices to public spaces, exemplifies the potential of this technology. While facial recognition enhances security measures, its mass surveillance applications raise ethical questions, challenging the delicate balance between public safety and individual privacy. The concerns are not limited to a specific region, as the global adoption of such technologies prompts a broader dialogue on ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in surveillance. Number 7. Challenges of AI bias and discrimination. AI bias extends beyond conventional concerns related to gender and race. While these biases are well acknowledged, emerging evidence highlights their influence on various facets, including speech recognition and decision-making processes. This broadening scope gives rise to genuine apprehensions about discrimination and the perpetuation of social inequalities through AI systems. For instance, speech recognition AI may struggle with certain dialects or accents, disproportionately affecting individuals with non-standard speech patterns. Addressing AI bias represents not only a technical challenge, but also a societal imperative. Number 8. Socioeconomic inequality and job displacement. The integration of AI technologies, particularly in tasks involving manual and repetitive work, significantly contribute to the exacerbation of existing socioeconomic disparities. Blue-collar workers, predominantly engaged in roles susceptible to automation, confront formidable challenges as AI-driven systems increasingly replace human labor. This displacement is manifested in substantial wage declines, with empirical studies indicating reductions reaching as high as 70% in specific sectors. Number 9. Dangers of autonomous AI in warfare. The convergence of AI and warfare introduces a complex web of ethical and strategic considerations that demand meticulous examination and proactive measures. The integration of AI in military applications, especially in the development of autonomous weapons, raises profound concerns about the potential emergence of an AI arms race among major global powers. Beyond geopolitical tensions, there are genuine and pressing fears of unintended consequences stemming from the deployment of lethal autonomous weapon systems. The potential for such technologies to fall into the wrong hands or be exploited by malicious actors intensifies the urgency for international cooperation and the establishment of robust ethical frameworks. Number 10. Financial risks and market volatility. The financial industry's increasing reliance on AI algorithms for tasks such as algorithmic trading introduces a unique set of challenges and potential risks. While AI algorithms excel at processing vast amounts of data and executing trades at incredible speeds, they often lack the ability to consider contextual factors and human emotions that influence financial markets. This inherent limitation can lead to market volatility as algorithmic trading may trigger rapid sell-offs or buying frenzies based on short-term patterns. Instances like 2010 flash crash and Knight Capital flash crash serve as stark reminders of the potential consequences when algorithmic trading goes awry. Striking a balance between leveraging AI for informed decision-making and ensuring stability in financial markets requires ongoing efforts to understand, monitor, and regulate the use of AI algorithms in the financial sector. Incorporating ethics into AI development is crucial to prevent potential harm. AI systems should be designed to prioritize human values, fairness, and accountability. Ethical guidelines must be embedded in AI algorithms to avoid biased decision-making and discriminatory outcomes. That's all for now. Let's embrace AI's possibilities while safeguarding humanity's existence. Together we can shape a positive, transformative AI future for all. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the update.